Imagine standing at the top of Mount Everest. You're 29,032 feet above sea level, the highest point any human can stand on Earth. Now stack another Mount Everest on top of that, and another. You'd still be looking up at where we're going. Because beneath the Pacific Ocean lies a place so deep, so dark, and so alien, that we know more about the surface of Mars than we do about what's down there. This is the Mariana Trench, and today we're going all the way to the bottom. The Mariana Trench lies in the western Pacific Ocean, about 200 miles southwest of Guam. It stretches nearly 1,600 miles long and reaches widths of 43 miles across. But the real shock is the depth. At its lowest point, Challenger Deep, the ocean floor drops nearly 36,000 feet below sea level, almost 7 miles straight down. The trench was formed by tectonic plates slowly colliding, forcing one plate beneath another for millions of years. And it's still moving today. Now imagine descending into it. At the surface, the water is warm and filled with sunlight. But by 3,000 feet, the light disappears. The temperature drops near freezing. You enter complete darkness. Scientists call this the midnight zone. The pressure here is already more than 1,000 times what you feel standing on a beach. And you keep going. At 13,000 feet, you pass the average depth of the world's oceans. But the trench still goes much deeper. The pressure becomes crushing, enough to destroy most submarines instantly. At 36,000 feet, the pressure reaches nearly 16,000 pounds per square inch. The weight of the ocean above you equals roughly 50 jumbo jets pressing down on a single square inch. And yet, life exists here. Scientists once believed the Mariana Trench was completely lifeless. They were wrong. Snailfish have been discovered more than 27,000 feet below the surface, making them the deepest fish ever recorded. Shrimp-like amphipods swarm across the seafloor in huge numbers. Giant single-celled organisms called xenophyophores grow to enormous sizes in the darkness, and researchers continue discovering species never seen before. The deep ocean is not empty, it is alive. Only a handful of humans have ever reached the bottom of Challenger Deep. In 1960, Don Walsh and Jacques Piccard became the first. Their descent took nearly 5 hours. They spent only 20 minutes at the bottom before returning to the surface. More than 50 years later, filmmaker James Cameron made the journey alone in a specially designed submersible. He described the trench as an alien world. And even today, we have mapped less than 25% of the ocean floor. Most of our own planet remains unexplored. The Mariana Trench reminds us that Earth is still filled with mystery. 7 miles beneath the Pacific Ocean, in freezing darkness and crushing pressure, life has adapted and survived in ways we are only beginning to understand. We spend so much time searching the stars for the unknown, but some of the greatest mysteries on Earth are still hidden beneath our own oceans, waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more.